short video to show you how to download and install Google Classroom on an iPad. Firstly, go to your App Store. Now once this loads, just put in the search box for Google Classroom. Google Classroom. Press enter. And there it is, up in the top left hand corner with the little green icon that looks like a blackboard. So I've downloaded it before, my icon's a little bit different, but click on Get. The Classroom app is quite large, so it may take a little while for it to download. This process has been speeded up. Once it's ready, click on Open. Click on Get Started. And we need to add another account if there's any Google accounts already attached to your device. So here we have to sign in with the St John's account. Don't forget the St John's Primary .academy at the end, and put in the St John's password that you should already have. Notifications will work through the app, so if you make any comments or teachers are replying to your comments, you'll get the notification to the iPad. That's it, we're into Google Classroom for St John's Primary Academy. If you have any problems, please email homelearning@stjohnsprimary.academy.